Okay guys, today we're going to take a look at this Golden Hawk Jeep from MPC. This is a way out of production kit. And what had reminded me of this one was the video that Craig just put up. That's the Mutt Modeler channel. Had just posted what's inside the Daisy Dukes Jeep. And it is a Golden Eagle. And so it reminded me of this kit, and I wanted to go check on this because I was thinking this was also a Golden Eagle, but it is not. It's a Golden Hawk, and I don't know what the difference is. And I'm pretty sure that that hood decal really, it very likely is the only difference. I don't know for sure, but I kind of, honestly, I like this hood decal better. The Golden Eagle on the Golden Eagle kind of looks like a cartoon, whereas this kind of a retro 80s Buck Rogers bird graphic type thing. Anyway, I like this one more. But here is a look at the box. This is what I'm doing is I'm looking back to see if this is the same kit as the Daisy Dukes Jeep. And I'm certain that it is. The big giveaway are that step bumper, and as he was looking through the kit, that same clear canopy where you just mask off the parts that you want to be windows and paint the rest. And then here's another giveaway. I saw this on his parts tree, so I'm sure it is the same kit. This I think this is an original issue. If you look on the box, and on this side, it says 1980. And there's no MPC on this box. So, here's a quick look at the stuff on the side. I just see the popularity with Jeeps lately amongst all the builders, and it reminded me that I have a few. One of them quite a bit better than the others, not this one. I'll get to that in a moment. Being an original, you have this opportunity to do the golden wheels. That's where you collect 4 or 5 of those and you get a free kit. Will not be honored, I'm sure. Expired about 40 years ago, probably. Anyway, I won't look around the kit so much because Craig just did this with the Daisy Dukes Jeep. It's a good looking Jeep. I was happy to see, because I had gotten this in a trade, I got this in a trade probably 20 years ago. And a lot of it was in a baggie, that baggie over there. And so I cataloged it and I realized I do have all the pieces. Both headlights, both taillights off the sprue. But here's a quick look at the engine. Somebody has started to assemble it. Whoops. As far as I can tell, everything is there. You get your transfer case there. And then the 2 drive shafts are over here. Right there. Front and back. All your shock absorbers. And it is not a... You know, Jeeps are not really very big. Look at this. This is 1/25th scale and not big. Somebody has assembled some suspension, and I like that it's got the fender flares separate so that you can paint them separate, make them look good. Other than that, the whole roll bar is there. The only piece that I can see that's missing is the piece that holds on the spare tire. But that can be made out of anything. The tailgate is there, right there. So you just mount anything onto the tailgate and then mount the spare tire onto that. Speaking of tires, it's got the original tires. These are the tires that came in the kit, but we've got aftermarket wheels. And I don't remember the trade, so I don't remember the terms. But these look like the Aoshima Outlaw 2. Or Outlaw 2? Outlaw 1? American Racing? Anyway, great looking wheels, look great on this Jeep. And then there's just your chrome pieces. And that is about it. I just wanted to show this kit and reveal that I'm positive it's exactly the same kit as the Daisy Dukes Jeep. And just like Craig did, I'm certainly going to leave that step off of there because it looks too big. I saw that he left his off, and that definitely needs to be left off. And the same thing, what was he saying about the antenna was too thick? Oh, I'm just realizing now. Well, possible that's the antenna. And it is too thick. So I'll be replacing mine too, with a piece of wire. Anyway, medium detail kit, good looking kit. I am going to put this in the shed for possible building because of the Jeep craze lately. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I've got kind of the ultimate Jeep kit. It is a Revell kit, and it's a 1/16 scale, and it is a Golden Eagle. And wait till you see that one. Maybe I'll do that one next if you guys want to see it. It is one heck of a kit. Great looking Jeep. Other than that, that'll do. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you next time.